So we got the first package in today. Only got a couple boxes of filament, so we'll just go through them real quick. We have PLA Basic Beige as the first box of filament. We also got PLA Basic Solar Breeze. This is going to be a gradient filament, transitions between two different colors as you move up the Z-axis. Good for the aesthetic stuff around the house. And then lastly, we got PETG Basic Transparent. It's a small package overall, but free filament is free filament and it keeps the hobby going. Let's talk about how we got there. So we're going to look at the MakerWorld reward points and how they structure it so that you have a good idea of how many points you need and how many models you should upload so that you can also get your free filament. The main goal with MakerWorld is to get the $40 gift card that's redeemable by reward points. It costs a total of 490 points. Now that we have the goal in sight, let's tally up how we get the points to get there. With MakerWorld, you have a few different buckets of where you can get points. The first one is the one-time reward. So you get one-time rewards for uploading a model and uploading a print profile. It's not going to get you a lot of points, but it at least gets you started. The main earner of points is going to be from downloads. And there's two categories to the download bucket. You get points for model downloads and you get points for the print profile downloads. The model and profile downloads have the same targets, but they have different amount of points associated to them. So for the first 10 downloads on the model, you're going to get 30 points, while the print profile, you're only going to get 8 points. And this is true for every 10 downloads all the way up to 50. Once you hit 50 downloads, both the model and the profile go over to thresholds of every 25 downloads. So for the model, every 25 downloads after 50 is going to get you 25 points. And for the print profile, every 25 downloads after 50 is going to get you 4 points. I got enough reward points off of my first model, this bunk one, to get myself the free filament. If I can get that off the first model, I'm sure you can also come up with something to get free filament yourself. Happy modeling and happy printing.